Hey you guys, so Cece back with this very quick video. I just wanted to get on here and try out the beauty blender cleaning hack that has been going all over social media and all over YouTube. I'm sorry, not YouTube, Twitter and Instagram. I've been seeing it everywhere, and I have plenty of dirty beauty sponges to try it on. So if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, there was an Instagram post where somebody cleaned their beauty blenders in the microwave. Yes, in the microwave. So I wanted to give it a try just to see if it worked and what the hype was all about. So here you can just see I have a container full of dirty beauty sponges. I don't even know why I let it get this bad and let so many get dirty at one time. But yes, these are like a lot of my beauty sponges and they're super dirty. So for this experiment, all you will need is some soap. I just decided to use my dish soap. You need a deep bowl or cup full of water. I filled it up about halfway, and then I put the dish soap. I just eyeballed it. I squirted some dish soap inside the cup and stirred it up with that knife. I just wanted to make sure all the suds was in there and the dish soap was evenly distributed throughout the water. So as you can see here, my beauty sponge is very dirty, just disgusting and filthy. So I am going to take it and put that inside of the water, and I'm just showing you here that it's in the water. So I'm also going to take a couple more. I believe I put 3 in here, and as you can see, they're nasty. So I put 3 of them inside the water to see if I can clean 3 at once. Now it's time to get the sponges in the microwave. I am putting the entire cup in the microwave for 1 minute, and let's see what happens. So of course the water is extremely hot, so you want to be careful as you're taking it out of the microwave. As you can see, it's literally smoking there, very hot. I thought I had ruined my beauty blenders, let me tell you. But here I'm just looking at the beauty blenders to see if it worked, if they got clean. They don't really look clean here, but let's take them out and see what happens. So after I let the water cool for a bit, here I am just squeezing out the beauty blenders to see what the end result is, and this shit didn't work, y'all. Look at my beauty blender still. It looks just as bad as when I put it in. You know what? Let me take that back. It got out a few of the stains, but look, there's the main part, which is like the butt of the beauty blender, and it's still completely dirty. Still has a bunch of makeup in it. So I was very disappointed because people was hyping this trick up like it was just gonna clean my beauty blenders in a minute, but no, that's not the case. Every single one of the beauty sponges that I took out of the water were still dirty. So I don't know if I did something wrong. I felt like I followed the directions. If you guys know that I did something wrong, please let me know, but none of them got clean, so that is that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little experiment. If you like little quick videos like this, let me know down below and I can continue doing them. Let me know what you want me to try next. Y'all know I try anything for y'all. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.